There you go. I know y'all hear that. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Big Play Ray, coming to y'all with another Copart walk around, man. We about to get straight into it this time because there's not a lot of cars I want to check out today. It's actually just 2 cars I want to check out, but we're gonna run through them. We're gonna look through both lanes, see if I can find something you know what I'm saying, that's new out here. But I really came here for 2 cars. If they don't crank up, y'all know how the game go. If y'all don't know how the game go, make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com because I'm gonna show y'all everything y'all need to know about this car game, about learning how to buy, learning how to sell, learning how to properly inspect cars from the auction, and the whole 9. You know what I'm saying? Stop thinking that every car in the auction just gonna be good to go and you're gonna be driving home, because you're gonna be disappointed. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co, if y'all haven't done so already. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on the gram. And yeah, I ain't really got too much else to say. We're gonna look at these 2 cars and we're gonna get in and we're gonna get about this thing. So let's see what they got, man. The first one on my list is this Honda Civic right here. So we about to check this out. And we're gonna walk this, we're gonna walk up, and then we're gonna walk back, and then we're gonna get up out of here. All right, so let's get it. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while. And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, so this is the Honda Civic right here. Did I call it a Honda Accord? If I did, I meant Honda Civic. Looks like it has a different bumper on it. The car is purple, but they put a burgundy rear bumper on it. They tried to match it up a little bit, didn't they? Got some paint fading over here. See if we can scoot through there. We made it. All right, so this is a 2001. It looks good. The body looks good. We got some rust right here. Got some paint fading on the hood and the trunk. We got some swirl marks right here. I don't know what that's about. It smells kind of funny in here, if I say so myself. 142,000 miles on it. If it don't crank up, guys, we are going to keep it moving. And it did not crank up, so we're going to keep it moving. For those of you who don't know why I keep it moving when the cars don't crank, ain't nothing I can tell y'all. You know what I mean? Go to whdacademy.com. You'll learn. You will know. Let's see what we got though. See if we got anything new out here, man. We're gonna walk it. We're gonna walk it how we talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Excuse me. Might be a little bumpy, jumpy because of the rocks. I can't do nothing about that. But I'm just trying to get in and get out this thing, man, because I literally came here for 2 vehicles and that was it. Because everything else is looking like it's the same old. Sometimes you luck up and you find something new though, but man, so nothing's going on over there. And dang, we finished that road quick, didn't we? So now we coming over here. See if we can find something else over here. Got the new Toyota RAV4. Kind of windy out here, kind of rainy out here, kind of cold out here, and all of that. So we just got to keep it moving. I'll probably give y'all another video today with this one. Maybe we'll see how it goes. We got a what's this, Mercedes. This is new right here. Not the Mercedes, this right here. This dang, this is new because I ain't never seen this GLE 300. This little, what you call this, Dodge Neon stick shift. No power on it, but look at the neon. The neons usually be trash. I like the seats in this one. They tried to do the Nissan, not the Dodge up, didn't they? With the Yep, the key is already in ignition, so we don't got no power. Got the gauges and everything. I don't know if these seats come with this though. I think maybe they do, maybe they don't. I don't know. can show y'all this with the wheelchair thing on the back. It says something about the wheel. I don't know why they salvaged this thing out for. Got that brown, that tan and that brown interior. Double roof. That brown and that tan look decent. Okay, this is the last car right here, Pontiac. Okay, make sure I don't pass it up. Matter of fact, let me see. Pontiac 01, so it's gonna be at the top. Oh, I see the damage right here. I'm tripping. It say replace the door, replace this door. Something about the wheel. Replace the fender. You don't even got the year or nothing on here. But yeah, you can definitely see the door is kind of messed up. So like something like this is not that bad to be rebuilt like this, because it's, you know, it doesn't got that much damage on it. Let's see if we can push this thing. Oh, let's push the start. I think, did I say crank this one for y'all before? So yeah, this would be a nice one to rebuild if somebody was interested in like rebuilding a car or something like that, because you know, it's not that much damage on it. Not that much damage at all. Turn it off. Check engine light on though. That's a shame. It's just a door, right? It was just a door. Other than that, that door closed, yeah. The car got wrecked. They didn't want to take their little thing off. Their little thing. I know these things probably cost some money right here. GLE 350. Seen all that. That's a new BMW right there. With that joint toe up from the floor up, as you can see. Anything else new out here, man? Anything else new? We just gonna go with the flow. Y'all remember that with the butterfly doors? That BMW thing. Check that video out. Check it out. It should be the thumbnail, so y'all can check that out. This is a new Volkswagen Atlas. This is new. I haven't seen this one here. See what the Atlas looking like. Okay. No roof. Still got that brand new car smell. This is a 2018 though. 18,000 miles on it. The new Atlas. Look alright, look alright. Oh man, got a Camaro, V6 Camaro though. See? Dang, he got that joint lifted up, don't he? This one looks similar to the y'all know the no, the Audi, my bad. This is the Volkswagen, but that Audi truck looks very similar to that Lamborghini truck. Y'all know what, I don't know which one it's called. Y'all know which one it's called, let me know in the comments below. Like I seen one on the street the other day and I was like, dang, that's the Lamborghini truck. But it wasn't the Lamborghini truck, it was the Audi truck. Let me see. Got the Dodge right here, police Dodge. 120-some thousand miles. No power. Damn, the car used to be blue and they painted it silver. I kind of like that blue better. It was a police car though. All right, so like I say, man, I'm not gonna drag this video out because, man, I came unprepared today as far as the way I'm dressed and all of that. Where the freak is this last little car at, man? It's a Pontiac, Pontiac. There you go, right there. Not this, that, but what is this? I think this is the Equinox or something. The wheels. Yeah, this thing definitely presidential. I forgot who make these. I've seen one of these before though. I remember the first time I seen this, I was like, what the heck is this? But look how presidential this thing is. Look. Like, why the heck do y'all got a compartment right there? Whoa. Whoa, this thing got a refrigerator, everything. It says push, cool box, Look at all of this, man. You got all of this. This is cool. Forgot who make these. Look at that remote. That's crazy. I know the last one I looked at didn't have all this. You got the curtain in the back, the front, door panels. What the heck is this right here? This lifts up. What? Look at that. They went crazy in this thing. Rear AC controls. You can move the seats up and back from this button here. Vents right here on the side. 87,000 miles on it. They went crazy on this thing. Ain't a lot of y'all. Oh man, I like that little thing. How that TV lifts up right there. Heated and cool seats. This is kind of plain right here, plain Jane, the TV and all of that. But other than that, and they gave you the suede roof. They went crazy. I'm trying to crank it just for fun. Push the start. It says the key is not in the car, but the key is in the car. Not working. What y'all think about this thing though? It's low to the ground, so you can tell like it might need some shocks or whatever the case may be, but it looks all right. It looks decent. Looks like a little decent little luxury car. I forgot who make this though. It's a 2013. Oh wow, the thing just fell all on the camera, man. And the water just fell all on my camera, bro. All right, I gotta cut this real quick so I can wipe this camera off, and then we about to check this out. All right, let's check it out, man. Pontiac vibe. Pontiac vibe is a vibe. Look at the hood. Tires look good. 192 on the miles. Kind of dirty. Kind of got some pet stuff going on. Damn. Looking a little rough there. Looking a little rough there. Sunroof. They got power though, so let's see. Does crank up. 192 on the miles. I know they like to kind of go crazy on these things. 03 Pontiac vibe, 192 on the miles. Can't raise that window down. That one raises down. All right, y'all. Let me check this out. wehustledaily.com. Let me do my wehustledaily.com, and I'll be right back with y'all. Like I say, I ain't trying to drag this video out. I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna show y'all why it's gonna be a no for this one. Damn, let me wipe the camera off. Hold up. All right, I'm gonna show y'all why it's gonna be a no for this one. I want y'all to listen carefully to the motor when I rev the car up. So I'm just hit the gas, and I want y'all to listen to it as I rev it up. Hold on. Hear it? Hear the motor? Like the bottom end. Hold on. Hear it? Hear that? There you go. I know y'all hear that. But that's why it's gonna be a no-go for this one, right? Let's see if they got anything on this side real quick. And then we're gonna get up on up out of here. But yeah, guys, that's why I say it's important to come check these cars out. But those were really the only two. Yep, that's it, y'all. Got this QX30. I'm starting to see these on the street, these little girl-looking cars. Oh, look at the deal they did with the seats. They kind of, oh, I like the white they put in the seats. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I like that. And with the, yeah, I like that double roof. Not double roof, long roof, big roof. I see you. I don't know what year this is though, but I like the seat though. The seat look nice. Look like a Tesla seat almost. Let me see if I can tell y'all what year this is. Not even, thing is not even in the door. So, but yeah, man. So the Pontiac vibe is gonna be a no-go, man. So, yeah, y'all see how the games go. But man, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Came in here for those two cars. Neither one of them good. So, well, I can't tell if the Honda good because I didn't crank it up, but y'all know why I didn't crank it up. Some of y'all do, some of y'all don't. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Appreciate Copart letting me do this, man. Love y'all, love the Hustle Nation, man. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. It's your boy Big Play Ray. Don't forget to go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gone. Peace.